Hi, in this video, I'm going to showcase how you can leverage Personaliz.ai platform and create personalized and interactive video campaigns easily. So once you sign up, you would see this kind of a dashboard and you see an option on the top right to create campaigns. So you can create video or audio campaigns. For example, you want to start with a video campaign, just click on it. A form will be appear. Just enter the campaign name and select the channel that you want to send this video campaign on, email or WhatsApp. And you can also add a call to action on top of the video. Say for example, you want to show a calendar so that your prospects can book an appointment directly on top of the video itself. So we have supported calendars here, and then select them and then enter the URL here. Or you can also simply add a button on top of the video and customize this button text and the link, which we can actually redirect them back to your page. And this is the most important setting, background website scroll video. What it does is, if you have a website URL for all of your contacts, then we can also add a scrolling video at the back end of your avatar video, so that when this is part of their mail, it gets immediate attention and they tend to click on it because it looks so personalized, right? Because their website is getting scrolled. So you can start saying that I just landed onto your website, and then why don't we start our conversation, right? So similarly, you can also add a name on top of your first video, so that that also gets higher click-through rates. So if you want to add this, just click the checkbox and click on create. So that gets your campaign created, and you see a box like this as a campaign. So just click on this campaign. So then you would see these options to customize and set up the campaign as per your needs. So for this, you just be ready with the two things. One is the video that you want to personalize for all your contacts, and then ultimately the set of contacts as a CSV, where you can have each contact name and email address. And if you want to add that website as well, then be ready with the website URLs for each of these contacts as well. So as a first step, you have to clone the voice. So for this, make sure that you read the guidelines properly so that to get the best output. So just go through this guidelines and terms and conditions, and just click on that checkbox. After that, just give a name to your voice and select the audio, the language of the audio that you will be uploading. And these are the speaker settings. Enter the age of the speaker and the gender and accent also, Indian or American, etc. And upload a file. It will accept MP3 or MP4 as well. So what we recommend is, you can upload the same video that you'll be using in the personalization step here as well, so that audio from that file will be used to clone your voice perfectly. So just click on the clone, and it will take you to the next step. Here also, you have to go through the guidelines to make sure that you could share the video as per our guidelines for better accuracy. And once you do that, select the language of the video and upload your video, and make sure that you follow this kind of guidelines, which is again start with the greeting word and a name, and followed by the generic word. And next is setting up the timings. This is the critical step of your entire personalized video campaign setup. So to do that, let's say you have to first select a greeting word, which is say for example hello, and then click on the setup. And this you can adjust the widget as per your need. So you can firstly zoom in and say for example first, this is actually a hello. So all you have to let the system know is what is this timing of this greeting word, which is hello. So what we recommend is, make sure you add little silence at the beginning and at the end also, for a better results. Okay, just set it and done. And similarly, you can set up the name part timings here. So what we recommend is, say for example, this is the Anuj Mehtaji name, and what we recommend is the end time of a greeting word should be same as the starting time of the name, so that the output video would not look any patchy, right? So there are no gaps. So that is what you do. And similarly, greeting media is, let's say the rest of the video is all generic media. Sorry, you can select till the end, and right, and then you can also give the timings the same way, like the end time of the name part should be the straight term of the generic media, again to avoid any patching things, right? So then set it up, that's it, your timings are set. Just click proceed. And next step is contact. So this is the step that you can upload your contacts from a local machine. You, if you want any sample, we have a sample as CSV here, or you can also add manually. Just give a name to a list where this contacts gets added to the list, and then you also can select the unique key where we can avoid the duplicates based on this key. So just enter and then create the list and then add it to this campaign. So whatever the lists that are added part of this campaign, it will be shown here. So just see the list and then click the next. And then the next step is generate. So here there are two things you can do. One is you have to first test the sample. Once your testing is done and satisfied, then you can go and generate for all. So to do that, first you can search for a particular contact that is already added to this campaign. Then just click enter. So it will show the matched contacts list here. Select the contacts and click on generate sample so that it will be added to this table. It will start with generating status. Once it is ready, it will show all these options like preview and copy and etc. So once you click on this preview, it will take you this the landing page video. So where you could cross check how this is coming up. If it is as per your needs and satisfied, then fine. Otherwise, you can always go back and then start regenerating as well by changing some settings. Hello, Santosh Thota. Say, for example, hope you're doing well. This is I recently came across your website. How it works. And for example, now you want to change some settings. So for example, personalization step, you want to update some things, and or you want to update the cloning settings as well. Do that and then come back here and then you click on regenerate for those campaign for this particular contacts, and then again you can cross check the preview. Once satisfied, then you can just click on generate all for all the, so that all the campaigns for all the contacts, the videos get generated. So you can do select all, and then you can download all the videos locally if you want to send manually. But we also have integrated with all the popular email settings for email softwares. So for example, Zoho campaigns, if you want to send, so all you have to do is just copy the HTML, and then for example inside the Zoho campaign, along with the text, you also want to add that personalized thumbnail. So all you have to do is just click on this HTML mode. So and then you just copy paste the code that you just copied from the dashboard, right? And apply. That's it. So it might look like this, but whoever receives the email, for example, like this, so this is how the thumbnail will look like. And once they click on it, it again starts interacting on the, it will take them to a landing page video, and then start the video there itself, right? And so that's how easily you can integrate with your existing campaigns without any manual intervention. So next is, if you want to change the design and customize the way that the landing page video would look like, so you can customize all these settings. You can explore all of them and save it. And if you want to customize the flow of questions, so we have a no code builder. So all you have to do is just drag and drop whatever the type of question that you want to ask the visitor, and then you can customize the kind of options and settings here easily, right? And then you can build up the flow like this, right? So and you can test the flow. Once you're satisfied, then don't forget to go live, so that all these test changes will apply in the live mode. Okay. And last but not least, we also have a advanced settings, where if you want to change any more configurations, for example, you want to get notified on when some events happen. So when your prospect visited your page or interacted or interested, means in our flow builder, we have a option to select any question that's a lead interested question. So if you select this question, which means that this lead or prospect is interested in your offering, so that you would immediately get notified. So you can select that kind of setting as well here, right? And yeah, so you can explore all this straightforward settings easily. And then once these are all live and you started getting responses, so all this responses, individual responses will be shown here in the responses tab. And then interested, people who are shown interested, if you want to see all visitors, only unique visitors, it will be shown in this table. You can download them and then give it to your sales team and so on and so forth. And we also show standard analytics to showcase how many people have visited, and how many of them interacted, interested, and interaction rate, interested generation rate, etc. Right? And then this media library, all your videos will be shown, will be stored here, so that you can reuse them. And here in the contact section, you can manage all your contacts and lists, etc. And then we have a profile page where you can manage all your accounting settings, billings, and help docs, etc. So hope this is clear and helpful. And please go ahead and explore the platform and start creating the campaigns. If you have any questions or issues, please do write us at info@personaliz.ai. So we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Good day.